If you're seeing chess.com error 473, don't worry, this is usually something you can get help with pretty quickly. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to contact chess.com support and send the right message so you can get your issue looked at faster. If this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and tutorials. Now, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to chess.com. Once you're on the site, look for the help icon, usually shown as a question mark. Click on that help button to open the support options. This is the main place where chess.com lets you reach their support team when something isn't working correctly. After the help menu opens, select Contact Support. This will take you to the support form where you can explain the issue you're having. Make sure you choose the contact option instead of just browsing help articles, because in this case, you want to send a direct request to the support team. Now, in the message box, type exactly error 473 updating email. Then include your username as well. This helps the support team identify your account and understand the problem much faster. Keep your message short, clear, and specific. If you want, you can also mention that you're unable to update your email because of error 473, but the key part is to include that exact error message and your username. Once you've entered the information, review everything one more time to make sure it's correct. Then submit the support request. After that, chess.com support should be able to review your account and help you resolve the issue. Depending on their response time, you may need to wait a little while for an update, so keep an eye on your email for a reply. If the issue continues, you can also try logging out and back in, refreshing the page, or checking whether your browser extensions are interfering with chess.com. But the main fix for error 473 is to contact support the way we just covered, because that gives them the details they need to investigate it properly. So, to recap, go to chess.com, click Help, choose Contact Support, and send the message error 473 updating email, along with your username. That's the fastest way to get the problem in front of the right team. If this video helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more simple step-by-step fixes just like this one.